Hello YouTube, this is Taxemicshadow, and today I'm going to do an airsoft gun review on the Double Eagle M47 airsoft spring shotgun. It is fully metal except for this, for the pump thing and the handlebar covers. The rest is metal. The orange tip came off recently, so I had to super glue it back on. See, the outside barrel is metal and the inner barrel is metal. And it comes with a clip. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. Clip shaped like this. It has two buttons on the sides. You press to unlock it. BBs go in there. It comes with a kind of speed loader. Like, there's a tube and a cleaning rod, and you put the BBs in the tube and put that right there and push them in with the cleaning rod. So yeah, that's the clip. It has a long top rail. Oh, I'm wearing my pajamas. So. It's a long top rail and two short side rails on it. It's the clip and it's the lower receiver. Double Eagle logo is right there. Can't really see it. And there's a little thing right here that does nothing. This is the trigger. The safety is black, means safe. And push it through. If I can do that. Now, when it's to the left, it means it's not safe. And when it's to the right, that means it's on safe. Yeah, this is the shotgun you may see in some Freddie Wong videos. They may have a more expensive version, but this one cost me $30 at a flea market in Myrtle Beach. I'm overall happy with it. So, and I filmed this with my flip video camera that I just got today. It's the Mino HD. It's awesome. So goodbye YouTube, and I hope you watch this. Recommend it. And if you press that subscribe button above my video, this will magically get shipped to your house. Strange.